Hi, welcome to Foodzone. My name's Duncan Hunter, and in this video I'll show you two new features for Foodzone. The first is an enhanced search, and the second is a create meal feature. So the enhanced search allows us to search for words that are contained somewhere in the food name. So before you could only search for a single part of a food name. For example, if you searched coffee, you would get this long list of coffee of all these different things. And unless you knew exactly what came after coffee, you wouldn't be able to type anything else, or it would just remove all the choices. But now, for example, if you were to put in, well, I know I had a skim coffee, then, well, not a slim coffee, but a skim coffee, then you'll see all of the skim coffee choices, and there's only 4. So let's say we had this regular coffee, push tab, choose the amount, say a cup worth, put in 1 cup, push tab again, and now we've entered that 1 cup of coffee. Let's say, for example, as well, we had a croissant and we had a jam-filled croissant. Push tab to bring up the amount, push 1 in the amount column, push tab again. Okay, and now that's the enhanced search feature. And what we can also see here is we have checkboxes now next to the food name, and we have a create button. So if we want to create a meal out of these two foods because we're regularly having croissants with coffee, we could click these two checkboxes, come up here, push on the create button, push meal, and then we could give it a name. Let's give it a name such as French breakfast and push create. And it will say French breakfast successfully created. Push close. And now we could come in and search for French, and what we'll see is we get this meal signature at the front of the name of the food, and we have this meal called French breakfast. So if we select that and push tab, what it will do is it will magically enter both those foods collectively, and we could come and change that and say that we had a mug, for example, versus saying that we had just a cup. And that way we could save our regular breakfasts without necessarily having to enter every food every day. So that's the create meal feature. And if we wanted to see which meals we've created, we could come into this button up here, push on create, push on view meals this time, and it will take us across to the meals page, and we can see all the meals that are associated with this client. So we only have a meal that we just made called French breakfast. We click on this arrow, we'll see the 2 foods that are in the French breakfast. So that's the create meal feature. We hope you enjoy these 2 new features. If you have any feedback, click down here on contact us and go to the contact us page and send us a message or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you, and I hope you enjoy these 2 new features.